Hello everyone, for this video is about chemical reaction rates. So there are 5 different factors can impact reaction rates. They are concentration, temperature, surface area, agitation, and catalyst. So for our group, we will design and conduct a safe, straightforward experiment using everyday materials to study how catalysts influence reaction rates through collision theory. So first, the idea of collision theory is that how quickly a reaction happens depends on how often and how strong the collisions are between the reactant molecules. Thus, you can see these pictures. For this part is catalyst. The catalyst can do 2 things. They can either increase the number of effective collisions, or they can make it more likely that these collisions will lead to reactions. So, how they do this by lowering the activation energy. So this experiment will look at how different catalysts affect how quickly reactions happen. It does this by comparing the effects of 3 catalysts, MnO2, potatoes, and yeast, on how fast 3% hydrogen peroxide breaks down, and the results of the experiment are then connected to what happens in everyday life. And before the experiment, we must hypothesize that when different catalysts are added to hydrogen peroxide of identical concentrations and volume, the reaction rates will be fastest with highly active yeast, and followed by potatoes. While MnO2 being a surface catalyst will be exhibit a slightly slower or comparable rate.
Hello everyone, today we will do our experiment. So first I have to introduce our materials. Here's the yeast, potatoes, and bakers. Here is the glass roll, and also we have to use the the measuring cup, the test tube, and here is the magnesium dioxide, here is the hydrogen peroxide, and also we have to use this one, the electronic scale. Hello everyone, and then I have to introduce the safety precautions. So first we have to use low concentration possible 3% of hydrogen peroxide, where goggles and gloves throughout the process. And I use the magnesium dioxide should be avoided from the inhaling dust. The experiment should be conducted in a well-ventilated environment with supervision by an adult or teacher. Dispose of the waste according to the teacher's instructions.
Pour 35-degree warm water into 3 beakers on average to simulate room temperature.
Hello everyone, I'm Eddie. Now we need to prepare the yeast activity sodium. Now first we need to pour the yeast into the test tube. Then pour the 10 milliliters of warm water and stir. In our 3 test tube, there are 3 different catalysts. The first is 10 millimeters of yeast activity sodium. The second is 5 grams of potatoes, and the third is 0.5 grams of magnesium dioxide. Then pour the hydrogen peroxide into the test tube. Then place it in vent in warm water and at 35-degree Celsius to divide the phenomenon inside the tube.
接着奏乐，接着舞。
A few moments later.
烦死了！Yeah, KEYS.
Hello everyone, at the end I have to talk about the result about our experiment. All three catalysts will significantly accelerate the decomposition rate of hydrogen peroxide. It is expected that yeast will be the fastest, followed by potatoes, and magnesium dioxide will be the slowest. The reason is that biological enzymes are more efficient in reducing activation and energy, while magnesium dioxide catalyzes through surface at its portion but with low efficiency.
Grading and chopping plants are a great way to make more surface area. It's the same idea as in the photo experiment, wherein enzymes and active ingredients are released more quickly. Fermentation, a key way of processing food in many countries, is similar to the yeast catalyzed process in the experiment. The good news is that some old methods use minerals found in nature to treat substances, and they work in the similar way to manage dioxide.